I got it.
I got it. It's
Are you
not
sure?
that heavy. Yeah.
So this is like balloons and this is like sand stuff. I feel like this both
Like
matches.
Yeah, summertime.
Yeah. The balloon stuff maybe not because it's like party stuff, but
Outdoor summer
yeah,
stuff.
this is like outdoor stuff. Like it's actually crazy how like it's very easy to think like, oh, we got enough for like everything, but then as things go on, same thing for like all the like fuel and shit. WD-40. We're gonna get some WD-40 for every single.
Oh yeah, they can probably see the quality's probably better.
Hoggies, don't touch me. Okay. Goddamn, son. Yeah, no, but okay, party stuff. So what is this bowl for the kitchen?
I don't know. I think it was like an outdoor kind of thing.
I can put it outdoor.
It's just kind of like one of those, like, if you need a cheap bowl, but we could also throw it away.
I leave it with this summer stuff because like I don't think you will fill this box. Not like stuff like the charcoal and stuff that can. Ooh, this is all from the house, right?
Yeah, no, that's stuff that was left.
Okay.
If it's bad though, we can go ahead and throw it out.
But it is definitely, I wouldn't say bad, it's just like badly warped.
If it's badly warped, then I'll throw it away just so it looks better when the landlord is coming by and I'm doing my walkthrough, you know what I mean?
That's for the dogs, right?
Yes.
Like for the car?
Yes. I think I'll just wash it real quick. Or
Like right away?
I can worry about that another day.
I don't even know if it's dirty, it just looks like the plastic has kind of like seen better days.
It's definitely dirty. But yeah, you put it on the car seat so the dogs lay on that instead of the car.
Mm-hmm. Do you already have a dog box? Oh, look, you have crayons. So like
Oh, chalk, yeah, keep that. That'll go in the craft thing.
Yeah. And here we go. Yeah. By the way, is this the neighbor?
Yes, I fucking hate
That's so
her.
funny.
Were you talking to her?
Huh?
Were you talking to her earlier?
No, never.
Oh no,
I would never.
I don't know. I don't care, Arthur. I was just asking if you've had any interaction yet.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking anyways.
Chat, we were joking about how the neighbors probably think I'm a whore because Arthur keeps showing up with different cars. So it looks like I'm inviting over like a new guy every week.
That's right. To be fair, I changed so much that, you know. Whew.
You can throw that away.
Throw it away?
The edges of it are chewed up.
What about this stuff here?
That's all trash. That's a trash pile.
Okay, I leave the box, but I throw this all.
No. Well, okay, yeah.
Why not?
I need to stop micromanaging. Do whatever you want, Arthur. Said you can have whatever you like. And just like that, we have a nice little shelf that can go somewhere. Just needs a little TLC. Maybe a few nails in the back of it.
What is it?
Nothing, just the nails are coming out of this, so I just need to hammer them back in.
Oh yeah, the back is like.
Is it bad?
Yeah, I mean, it's not good.
Is it worth keeping?
Let me ask you this way. Do you see yourself in any shape or form using it?
Yeah, you put it in like a room or a guest room and you put little stuff on it. Okay, no, we can throw it away.
It's just like, up until here it's like good, but the bottom is like scuffed as fuck.
And then I just put...
Oh, it's up to you.
I mean, we can throw it away.
I lost all privileges to be like, hey, You can't hoard.
We're living in this house together. I just figured that we could find like something to do with it. But if it's ugly, I also don't want like just random stuff. I didn't know if we could put like, you know, like put it in the garage somewhere and there's like tools and stuff that you like put on it. You can throw that away.
There's a key inside here. I think it's for this thing.
Yeah.
God damn.
I don't know, chat. This is what we're talking about this shelf right here. Yeah, I feel like we can put it in the garage or something, or you know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying to have it for main decoration, just more for like storage stuff.
It's just like the top is good, but like I said, the bottom is like holy shit. Look how warped it is. Like the back panel needs to get replaced. And the bottom thing
I think
is
it's literally just needs to be hammered in because I unnailed it on accident.
No, it is warped. It's kind of warped.
Well, it goes against a wall. What do you guys think?
I wouldn't keep it because I just straight up don't know where you would ever use it.
Put it in the garage and use it for car cleaning equipment.
And then it's going to collect dust on the ground. No. I throw it out.
Okay.
Like, it's like, from a distance, it looks okay, but like it's kind of like scuffed throughout. I'm sorry. I'll literally build you another one if you want this. Look at the back.
The back isn't holding anything up, it's just a back. Okay.
Yeah, no, it's scuffed. Yeah, it's like small blemishes all across, so it's like, yeah, not a hoarder. Yeah. Kinda ugly. Okay, it's fucked up. Ugly. What's up with this water bottle?
It can be drained in and
Oh, it's old?
it's just it's sat in the heat, so it's not safe to drink.
What about this?
Stop! That was from your party. That stuff all needs to go inside.
Yeah, can you, yeah. And this is where?
Yes. Put all that, even that. Actually, that can be thrown away. It's broken.
Oh yeah, it's broken. What about this?
I put it there because I'm looking for its friend.
Oh, maybe the friend is already in there. Boomerang.
Get the heck out of my way.
Shit.
How's it going, Miss Kiwi-licious? Oh, hell yeah. Okay.
Now, Chad, we have like old pictures or like
Chatter
old
back
mirrors.
up.
It's
Homie.
actually kind of nice though.